Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question 30 divide 5 plus into parenthesis 9 minus 4 multiply 3. Now let's solve this problem by using a PEMDAS rule PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question first priority is parenthesis, so first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, so is equal to 30 divide 5 plus, now solve this parenthesis, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 multiply 3. Okay, now here is one division, one addition and one multiplication. So multiplication and division both have first priority, then we have to solve addition. Okay, so now let's solve multiplication and division. But multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay, so is equal to 30 divide 5 is equal to 6 plus 5 multiply 3. Now one addition and one multiplication is left. So first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve addition. So is equal to 6 plus 5 multiply 3 is equal to 15. Now 6 plus 15 is equal to 21. Okay, so the correct answer is 21. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe to Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.